My name is Chanlei Hoàng Thang and I'm from the team Blue Bush. So the last 3 days has been a memorable experience for the three of us, the team Blue Bush. We have learned a lot about the business practices as well as the way or which directions that we can go into to improve the success probability of our project. And of course the mentors are really great. They give constructive criticism.
YSE Regional has been an amazing learning experience. We appreciate the opportunity to have met like-minded friends and other social entrepreneurs.
YSE is really an attractive program. Through the program, I have improved a lot of knowledge about entrepreneurship and business. In addition, the program also has extremely interesting games.
We're very glad to hear past program participants share their experience and how they overcame the challenge they faced.
YSE is the most fantastic program that I have met before. Then I learned a lot of useful knowledge that I can apply in our project. Otherwise, I'm really impressed by my trainer and my mentors, and this was wonder with me. All thanks to you.
YSE is a great contest where I can show my ideas that I have cherished for a long time.
First and foremost, I'd like to express my gratitude to YSE for providing us with an enriching experiences. Our understanding of social enterprise, design thinking, marketing, and finance has grown. I made a lot of friends and spoke with a lot of knowledgeable people who were able to support and advise us during the startup process. Thank you.
The Young Social Entrepreneur Regional Program has been an amazing learning experience. It taught us to various phases of running a viable unit while creating meaningful social impact. I can now tap on the knowledge and networks gained from the program, and I work on growing my social unit idea. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Cúc from ULISO team. This is my first time I take part in YSE program, and I really feel that is very rewarding and a wonderful program. I learned a lot of knowledge that can be applied practically to my project. Not only that, I also met many friends and enthusiastic mentors who have earned a lot. Thank you YSE, thank you mentors, speakers, and everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Dương Hạnh and I'm a member of the ULISO team. I was a little sad since my time with YSE is so brief, but I was also delighted because I gained so much new knowledge and met so many new friends.
Hello, I'm Shu Wang. I'm founder of the Gamibox project, a platform to create marketing campaigns through gamification. After 3 days of experience with YSE, I feel that I am really more mature in seeing a problem, approach how to turn an idea into reality. Here I have learned a lot of skill, connected many relationships. The mentors are very enthusiastic to guide and support me very carefully about the shortcoming of my project and offer solution of help me. My project is better. I actually attended a few events with partners from Singapore, but with YSE I was really surprised to be able to participate with my friend about good program like this. Finally, I would like to thank SYF, the organizer of YSE, for creating such a meaningful program. Goodbye.
And we really hope to see you guys again in Hanoi or in Vietnam in general. And we hope that we can in the next year or in the years following, we can keep on experiencing such quality programs delivered by the SIF. So thank you SIF for having conducted such great program. Thank you.
And I hope the program will return in Hanoi.
I hope the program can be held in Vietnam again so that I can have more interesting experience.
We want this program to come back to Hanoi so that startups like Earth can learn more and more. We want to say thank you to YSE program.
I hope that YSE continues to expand and return to Hanoi soon so that it can assist with more projects. Thank you, YSE.
Hopefully, YSE 2022 will continue to be organized so that many students have opportunity to participate and many good ideas to contribute. Finally, I would like to thank the organizer for being very enthusiastic and professional to make the program a success.